FIRs that have been filed, and we have accessed the details of these FIRs that were filed in Delhi, in Bihar, and in Gujarat. Now, when it comes to these FIRs, they are talking about different discrepancies that happened during the NEET examination and the way the setters or the main setters went ahead and connected with the candidates who gave the exam, and the way the paper was in fact leaked. We have Ankit who's joining us with the details of the FIR. Ankit, what are the details that you're tracking when it comes to the FIRs that were filed in Delhi and in other places?
So there are 3 FIRs that we've accessed, Sagarika, in Delhi, in Gujarat and Bihar. And the most important thing to note is that each of them allege a different kind of irregularity. The one in Delhi, for instance, speaks about 2 candidates who apparently misrepresented their details. And that is the complaint that has been filed. The one in Gujarat, we are still deciphering. It's in Gujarati. And I have with me the one that is filed in Bihar, which is at this moment the most interesting to us because this is on which the probe has been carried out. So I'm just going to read parts of it because it is quite illegible. So we're just trying to decipher it. But at one place, it does mention नीट एग्जाम में एक संगठन गिरोह कुछ विद्यार्थियों एवं परीक्षा संचालन करने वाले कर्मियों के मिली भगत से प्रश्न पत्र की चेन ऑफ कस्टडी की इंटेग्रिटी को भंग किया गया है एवं प्रश्न पत्र लीक किया गया है। इसी क्रम में बताया गया कि सफेद रेनो डस्टर गाड़ी एंड इट सेज नंबर से संगठित गिरोह के सदस्य परीक्षा केंद्र के आसपास and the rest of it is not very easy to decipher, but this is the allegation that is coming in. This was the first
Stay with us, Ankit, because we also have Tetri joining us on the phone line, and she's accessed all the FIRs pertaining to the investigation that's going on. Tetri, like Ankit was reading out details of the FIR that was filed in Bihar. Similarly, there are FIRs in Delhi and in Gujarat as well. Break down the details one by one.
Well, yes, these all FIR have been accessed by us, and in fact, these all FIRs details mentioned mentions that what all happened and how the paper leak took place, not only in Bihar but in Gujarat as well, and in fact in Delhi also. Let me tell you that the FIR was filed The FIR was filed in Delhi on 6th of May, in Gujarat on 8th of May, and in Bihar on 5th of May. So these are all the respective dates on which the FIR was filed in several states. But as far as Delhi is concerned, it is related to the problem solver gang. Gujarat's FIR is related to the Godhra case, and Bihar's FIR is related to the paper leak case that has gained a lot of controversy in the entire country.
Right. So what more do we know about this problem solver gang that you're talking about, Tetri, as mentioned in the FIR when it comes to Delhi?
In which
Tetri, if you're still with us,
2 medical students who belongs to the arrested in this case.
Okay,
So
we
these
seem
two
to have a bit of an audio issue there with Tetri, but we'll come back to her as she breaks down the details of the FIRs filed on different dates, which is the 5th, the 6th and the 8th in Delhi, in Gujarat and in Bihar. But like we've been telling you, politics is raging over the NEET controversy. You just heard a while back Rahul Gandhi, who held a press conference, and he also went on to mount a series of allegations against the centre, saying that the paper leak has been facilitated by none other than the Prime Minister. Listen to what Rahul Gandhi said.
मैं इंस्टीट्यूशनल कैप्चर की बात करता हूं, मीडिया की बात करी, अलग अलग हिंदुस्तान के जो संस्थाएं हैं उनकी बात की, यही एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस में हो रहा है। पेपर लीक का कारण है कि सारे के सारे वाइस चांसलर्स, एजुकेशन सिस्टम को बीजेपी के लोगों ने, उनके पेरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने कैप्चर कर रखा है। जब तक ये कैप्चर रिवर्स नहीं किया जाएगा, तब तक पेपर लीक चलता जाएगा। इस कैप्चर को फैसिलिटेट नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने किया है और ये एक एंटी नेशनल एक्टिविटी है। भारत छोड़ो न्याय यात्रा में मणिपुर से हम महाराष्ट्र गए और रास्ते में हजारों युवाओं ने कंप्लेन की थी कि हिंदुस्तान में नॉन स्टॉप पेपर लीक होते हैं, और आज आप सबको मालूम है कि नीट पेपर एंड यूजीसी एनईटी के जो पेपर्स हैं वो लीक हुए हैं और एक कैंसिल भी हुआ है। कहा जा रहा था कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने यूक्रेन की लड़ाई रोक दी थी, मतलब एक ऑर्डर देके जो रूस और यूक्रेन के बीच में लड़ाई चल रही थी उसको रोक दिया था, ब्रेक लगा दी थी। इजराइल और गाजा के बीच में जो लड़ाई चल रही थी उसको भी नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने रोक दिया था, मगर किसी ना किसी कारण जो हिंदुस्तान में पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं उसको नरेंद्र मोदी रोक नहीं पा रहे हैं या रोकना नहीं चाहते हैं।
And Mohit Bhatt is also joining us live, and he's tracking the politics that's playing out over the entire controversy around the NEET exam. Now, we are hearing what the opposition is saying. They're also questioning the government over the cancellation of NET, and they're saying that the same principle should be applied to NEET. So going ahead and saying that even NEET should be cancelled in entirety.
Well, yes, in fact, and we have seen that how the opposition parties are attacking the government, and Rahul Gandhi, in a very, very strong attack directly on the Prime Minister, stated that Prime Minister's chest has shrunk from 56 inches to 30 to 32 inches, that is not able to stop the paper leaks. And we know that how the opposition is completely attacking the government, basically saying that this government is incapable of stopping the paper leaks. Now, first it was the NEET exam, and then the exam of the UGC NET, which was conducted day before yesterday, was cancelled yesterday. Now, amidst all the furor about the NEET, we see that how the NET exam has been cancelled. Around 9 to 10 lakh students appeared for this particular exam. So clearly, we see that there is anger among the students. Also, we have seen massive protests happening at Ministry of Education's office. Various student organizations are protesting. They're also protesting outside Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's residence. But we see that the politics is being played out while the BJP has been saying this, that an action has been taken as soon as the agencies got to know about the leak, about the controversy and the conspiracy in the NET exam. It has been cancelled, and CBI has been given the investigation. On the NEET part, they have said that the issue of grace marks have been solved, and the matter also went to the Supreme Court. They will do everything to ensure that the students get justice. But what the opposition says is that again and again paper leaks are happening in the country. First, they say that it was NEET. Now, the NET exam, and shocking details, as we were discussing earlier, have come from Bihar, where a candidate claims that he knew he knew that what exactly the questions will be. The question paper was given to him, the dummy question paper was given to him before the paper, and the question paper that he got in the exam was 100% same as the paper which he was supplied earlier, and for that he paid around 30 to 32 lakh rupees. So that matter is also under the investigation. But the question is, and the questions are being raised on the NTA, that while the controversy over the NEET was going on, another paper leak has happened. So what exactly is happening within the NTA? We know there are lots of meetings are taking place, hectic parleys are taking place at Ministry of Education, where Dharmendra Pradhan, the Minister of Education, has called in NTA officials. The detailed report is being sought. But in the end, it's about the future of all these students, all these people who have given all these exams.
Let's also get you the latest breaking news update that's now coming in. You heard Rahul Gandhi hold a press conference a short while back, making a string of allegations. And now there is a delegation of NEET aspirants who have arrived at 10 Janpath, and those are the pictures there on your screens, and they have arrived to meet Rahul Gandhi. So Rahul Gandhi, who just now held a press conference, went on to say, blame the entire NEET controversy on the government, and there are leaders of the Congress party who have decided to go ahead and hold massive protests. We have Niyamika joining us on the phone line. Niyamika, get us the details of this meeting.
Well, a delegation of the students are currently present at 10 Janpat, which is the residence of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, as they are the NEET aspirants who are holding talks with Rahul Gandhi, because recently we have also seen that how the Congress party has been aggressively raising this entire matter. They have made it very clear that they are not just going to hold a nationwide protest tomorrow, but also they are going to raise this entire matter during the parliament session, as well as just before this meeting with the NEET aspirants. Rahul Gandhi held a press conference at the AICC headquarters, in which he has made certain allegations upon the government of India, as he said that this is being done on the just because the central government is not taking any kind of action, because he has also raised question the manner in which allegedly the institutions are being captured by the BJP, and that's what the Congress party is saying, that the only solution to these paper leaks issue, or the manner in which all these issues are being raised all across the country, is just because the BJP is capturing the institutions, which is very much dangerous for the future of this country. And that's the reason why the Congress party has been continuously demanding that not just a thorough investigation needs to be done into this entire matter, but they are also saying that these institutions needs to be free of all these people who are ideologically biased towards the ruling government.
Yamika, do you also have details of the number of students who are part of this delegation? As per the pictures that have come in, we can see about 5 to 6 students, and they are part of this delegation. Do you have any more details about them, and what is the memorandum that they are taking to the Congress party?
Well, the Congress party has, called these NEET aspirants to hold talks with Rahul Gandhi, because before taking any kind of matter within the parliament session, Rahul Gandhi wanted to do a consultation with the NEET aspirants, and that's the reason why he is holding talks today with these students, as they are going to share their problems, their experiences, what they had faced during these paper leak issues, and how they are tackling it in the future days.
Right.
And that's the reason why Rahul Gandhi is holding talks currently with the NEET aspirants at 10 Janpat.
So this is the meeting. There's a pictures of the students who have just entered 10 Janpat, and Rahul Gandhi before the parliament session, as the Congress plans massive protest, is going to meet these aspirants. The Congress clearly stepping up the pressure on the government. The government on its part is giving out words of assurance, saying that they will not allow the future of any student to be at jeopardy. But let's also tell you about the protests that are going on. Be it the SFI or the Congress Party student wing, that is the NSUI, they also staged huge protests outside the Education Ministry, and this also happened a short while ago. This is a report that was filed by Rishabh, who was there when the protest broke out. Take a look.
National eligibility test of UGC that has been cancelled yesterday, and all this amid NTA is surrounded by the controversies of NEET already. The students here are demanding the resignations of Union Minister for Education Dharmendra Pradhan and action against NTA. Let's try and talk to a few students here and understand what their demands are. Ma'am, you're here protesting. What are your demands?
So demands are on the behalf of all the students and all the people who have appeared. More than 9 lakh people appeared for the exam. उन सभी को जो मेंटल साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रॉमा पहुंचा है, साथ ही साथ जो फाइनेंशियल लॉसेस हुए हैं, सबसे पहले तो उसका जवाब.
So NTA wasn't the conducting body before, till 2018 only UGC was conducting the paper. Post that NTA was given this responsibility. Right after this NEET fiasco, this NTA UGC NET fiasco also started, and right after they have declared that हमने successfully conduct कर लिया examination, they're coming out and saying that हमने CBI को जांच जो है वो भेज दी है, हम इंक्वायरी बैठा रहे हैं और हम पेपर दोबारा से कंडक्ट करवाएंगे. There are students जो प्रेगनेंसी में गए हैं एग्जाम देने. There are students who have traveled 400 kilometers in this scorching heat, and this is how NTA is repaying them with saying कि हम दोबारा एग्जाम कराएंगे. This is a blot on this education